Hi everyone, welcome to Cheryl's Stitch and Stash. Today I wanted to share with you a gift I made for a friend for her birthday, and it was something new that I did, so I wanted to share it with you. So this is what it looks like. This pattern is by Bird Brain Designs, so I decided to do it in red work. And what I did is I took 2 pieces of fabric and batting and I blanket stitched them around. And then what I did is I made the cording and I hand stitched that on. And then I put magnets on the back. Now these aren't the greatest magnets and I'm still trying to find a good magnet. And I put it on this stand. So I wanted to share that with you. And I will have the website where to get the pattern and tell you where I found how to make cording. I'll write that in on the bottom also. So happy quilting, happy stitching, and have a great day.